I'm at the Kennedy Space Center Launch Complex 39 west side, waiting the launch of the Artemis II mission, the first mission after 53 years after Apollo 17, which flew to the moon. And this will be a 10-day mission with a free return after 10 days and splashing down in the Pacific Ocean. 5 minutes and counting. 1 minute and counting. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Woo! Woo! Yes! Go! Go Artemis! Go integrity! Yeah, baby! 10 minutes into the mission, Artemis II has now reached Earth orbit and the work can begin.